Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both apps ready and connected. Install Touch Portal and OBS, then enable or install the OBS WebSocket plugin so Touch Portal can control OBS. Once done, make sure firewall rules allow the chosen port on localhost or your LAN. Open Touch Portal, choose OBS WebSocket as the target, and enter the port and password you configured in OBS. This immediate connection step prevents access errors later and lets you test basic commands right away. Next, build your control layout inside Touch Portal and map each button to an OBS action. Create pages for scenes, sources, audio, and streaming controls, then assign OBS actions like Set Scene, Toggle Source Visibility, or Start/Stop Recording. Use compound actions for multi-step tasks, for example, switch scene then mute audio. Once mapped, organize buttons into folders and add clear icons or confirmation prompts for irreversible actions. This structure reduces mistakes and speeds up live operation when you're focused on content. Finish by thoroughly testing every button and then add automation where it saves time. Test scene switches, source toggles, and start/stop recording to confirm state changes in OBS. Create macros for multi-step routines, like an intro countdown, transition, then start recording to streamline shows. If something fails, first restart the OBS WebSocket service and Touch Portal. Then verify the port and password match and the firewall isn't blocking traffic. If problems persist, recheck plugin versions. Updating both apps often resolves protocol mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.